Welcome to the update for Tuesday, the 17th of August of 2021. It was a good day today, 12 payments. 2 were returns of capital for a total of 4 cents, and then 10 were ordinary dividends for a total of 53 cents. Yeah, 12 was not bad. It's been a couple of quiet days, so it's nice to get double digits. And we just broke €70 in dividends so far. Not a bad start to the week. So the first dividend payer was Stellus Capital, ticker symbol SCM. So it's a monthly paying stock, and it's a closed-end, non-diversified management investment company. Currently has a dividend yield of 8.18%, earnings per share of $1.04, a revenue of 56.66 million, a PE ratio of 12.74, and a current market cap of 257.41 million. So the dividend I just received was for 8 cents per share, and that's actually up 1 cent since the last one I received last month. Now the second dividend payer today was Petmed Express, ticker symbol PETS. It's a pet pharmacy. It's in the retail industry, specifying in drugs. Current dividend yield is 4.21%. Earnings per share is $1.52. Revenue is 309.21 million. PE ratio is 18.73, and the current market cap is 579.75 million. So the dividend I just received was for 26 cents, and they pay every quarter, but that was the first one I've ever received from them. Next we have a pretty well known monthly paying dividend stock. It's Pembina Pipeline, ticker symbol PBA. So it's based in Canada, and it's a transportation and midstream service provider in the oil well services and equipment industry in the energy sector. Current dividend yield is 8.62%. Earnings per share is $3.22. Current revenue is 7.23 billion. A PE ratio is 9.09, and its market cap is 16.08 billion. So it was a return of capital that I received today, and it was for 14 cents per share, and they pay every month. Next we have Omega Healthcare Investors, ticker symbol OHI. So it's a self-administered real estate investment trust in the USA. Current dividend yield is 7.68%. Earnings per share is 95 cents. Revenue is 892.38 million. The PE ratio is 36.78, and the current market cap is 8.33 billion. So the dividend I just received was for 57 cents per share. They pay it every quarter, and that was the first one that I've received from them. Next we have the monthly dividend paying stock, Realty Income, ticker symbol is O. So they're another real estate investment trust in the USA. Current dividend yield is 4.44%. Earnings per share is $1.41. Current revenue is $1 or 1.49 billion. The PE ratio is 44.74, and the current market cap is 21.8 billion. So they paid their monthly dividend, which was 20 cents per share, and it's unchanged since last month. MMP. Yes, so next one is Magellan Midstream Partners, ticker symbol MMP. So it's principally engaged in the transportation, storage and distribution of refined petroleum products and crude oil. So it's in the oil well services and equipment industry in the energy sector. So the current dividend yield is 8.48%. Earnings per share is $3.62. Current revenue is $2.43 billion. PE ratio is 13.38, and the current market cap is $10.74 billion. So the dividend I just received was a return of capital, of $1.03, but they pay dividends every quarter. And next we have another monthly paying dividend stock, Main Street Capital, ticker symbol MAIN. So it's a principal investment firm in the miscellaneous financial services industry. Current dividend yield is 8%. Current earnings per share is $2.06. The revenue is $243.37 million. The PE ratio is 14.94, and the current market cap is $2.03 billion. So I received a dividend for 17 cents, and it hasn't changed since the last one. Another monthly payer, Cross Timbers Royalty, ticker symbol CRT. So it's an express trust in the miscellaneous financial services industry. Its current dividend yield is 7.04%. Earnings per share is 78 cents. Current revenue is $5.31 million. Its PE ratio is 15.24, and its market cap is $71.22 million. So it pays a dividend of 11 cents per month, and that's up 2 cents since last month. Next we have the Cox Company, ticker symbol is CLX. So it's a manufacturer and marketer of consumer and professional products in the personal and household products industry. So in the consumer non-cyclical sector. Its current dividend yield is 2.81%. Its earnings per share is $7.64. Current revenue is $7.34 billion. Current PE ratio is 21.57, and its current market cap is $20.5 billion. So it pays a quarterly dividend of 99 cents per share, and that's up 4 cents since the last one that I received. And next we have the Broadmark Realty Capital, ticker symbol BRMK. It's another monthly paying real estate investment trust based in the US. Its current dividend yield is 7.92%. Its earnings per share is 73 cents. Its current revenue is 122.36 million. The PE ratio is 14.46, and the current market cap is 1.41 billion. So I received a dividend of 6 cents per share, and it's the same as the last dividend I received. Now the second last one is another monthly paying dividend stock, Agri Realty Corporation, ticker symbol ADC. Now it's another real estate investment trust based in the US. Its current dividend yield is 3.5%. Current earnings per share is $1.67. Its revenue is $248.57 million. Its PE ratio is 44.67, and its current market cap is $5.13 billion. So they paid a dividend of 18 cents per share, and it's unchanged since the last one I received. And the last one is Persimmon, ticker symbol PSN, and it's based in the UK. It's a holding company engaged in house building within the United Kingdom. So it's in the construction services industry. Its current dividend yield is 3.79%. Its current earnings per share is £2. Its revenue is £3.33 billion. Its PE ratio is 13.23, and the market cap is £9.27 billion. So I received a dividend of £1.10 per share, and they pay their dividends semi-annually. And usually with UK companies, there'll be one dividend payment. The final one will be much bigger than the interim, the kind of halfway one. But I'm not sure. It's the first one I've received from them, so I don't know about them in particular. So we have €1.58 for today, and I suppose it could go anywhere. Don't know if I saw anything that was quite heavily down. I might actually, there's only 2 in the QPI. Yeah, so I'm going to deposit another euro and then put €2.50 into the whole pie. Yeah, and then I'll be able to bump that one up, minimum of €2. Okay. Okay, so now the Q is up, and it would still be 2, so it's up to €2. Yeah, and then 2 left. Oh, that's it for today. Wasn't bad at all, 12 payments. Hopefully the rest of the week continues like this.